he or she will identify that what are the names that are written here. So for that, it's a very simple thing. Click on this arrow wala symbol. When you will click on this arrow wala symbol, now you will get all these names what you have written here. Okay. So when you will select one thing, it will select that. Okay. बात समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Okay. चलो. Moving to the next topic. Renaming वगैरह you all know, adding more sheets by plus plus plus, you can do all these things. So let's write something then, and then we will move to students course and then address. Okay. As you could see कि यहाँ पे मैंने जब serial number लिखा, name लिखा, course लिखा, address लिखा, the name of the student is little bigger, right? It has to be a little bigger, so तभी जाके ये मेरा clearly visible होगा, है ना? So what we can do, we can also resize it. For resizing, we will go to B, in between B and C. As soon as the cursor will change, I will click it and drag it. ठीक है, जितना भी हमें बड़ा चाहिए. Simple? Is it simple? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a very important thing. इसे आप ध्यान से देखना. Whenever you are going to enter data in Excel now, you will always use tab. Why? I'll show you. Like I'm started writing from here. मैंने 1 लिखा, यहाँ पर मैं इसे जरा सा डिलीट कर देता हूँ और इसे नीचे पे वापस कर देता हूँ. So 1 लिखा, I'll write the name like Naga Divya, course is like computer, address is like Hyderabad. So I'm using tab. So when I will press enter, see what will happen. The cursor will again select the very first cell. दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे पहले आ जाएगा. दिख रहा है? Again you can start writing 2 like A, Deepika, computer, Hyderabad. And when you will press enter, ये फिर से पहले वाले सेल में चला जाएगा. This will only happen if you are using tab. जैसे कि देखो, अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ Nikita, ठीक है, इस बार मैं I'm not going through tab. What I'm going through, I'm going through the arrow keys in my keyboard. So I'm pressing the arrow. फिर से वो आगे चला गया. And now I'm pressing enter. See what will happen. समझ में आया क्या हुआ?
हाँ sir.
ठीक है? So
हाँ sir.
if you're using the arrow keys now, it will just come below that the last thing. ठीक है, जिसमें आपने arrow use किया है. But अगर आप tab use करो, tab and then press enter, तो जहाँ
Sir, keyboard arrows, sir.
Yes, keyboard arrows. We don't have other arrows. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more name. Let me write Ramya and THYEL computer. I'm just writing my name because my name is little bigger from you all guys. So I just need that bigger name. I'm just writing my mother's name also so that it becomes much more bigger. So see ना, यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे मेरा नाम कट गया है ना?
हाँ sir.
Now, अब assume a situation again. ठीक है? Think of a situation.